I snapped an 1.1/8 line all along the back of this house. That's kind of a reset there for length. And so basically we went around, we nailed in all of the floor trusses, actually the I-joists. And then I go around with the print and I mark all of the bearing points, all the point loads with X's on the rims, and my guys will go around and get in all those point loads so we don't have to do it later. It's a lot easier to do now. So now we're getting ready to sheet here. We snap one line all the way across the whole floor so that we keep the first row straight, and then I space the edges on it about 1/8 of an inch. The glue we're using is the foam glue, also made by AdvanTech, and usually I'll straighten the first row of joists, and after that they seem to stay pretty true. They're all nailed on layout on the bearing wall and beams going through the middle of the house, so that's basically all we have to do. Shooting it off, we're just going to use a 2 3/8 ring shank nail. We usually go 4 to 6 inches on the seams and 6 to 8 inches in the field. I know everybody's into, screwing your floor down and, stuff like that, and that's a great thing to do, I think, after the house is up and everything's kind of dried out, but anybody who knows anything knows that, the nails are basically just there to hold the sheets down, until the glue dries, so. Guys getting going on some wall plates and corners and king studs and trimmers and that kind of stuff, and the rest of the guys are sheeting the walls with zip system and learning how to tape.